Hello there, it's Brian Fluff here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a foam glider. So this one, all you do is you throw it, and it flies pretty good. It's not controllable after it leaves your hands, but it just flies pretty good. So what you're going to be needing is a knife, some packing tape, clear looks better, a roller. I could use the stainless steel one. So you can use a foam dart. You don't have to, but that's just for a tip guard. So that way, when you hit stuff, it won't hurt it too much. I mean, I do have a little bit of a bend at the end. Then you will need part of a tooth. You don't have to have part of a toothpick. No, you won't need a toothpick at all. You need hot glue gun, hot glue, and 1 to 2 sheets of Dollar Tree foam board. This will work a lot with Dollar Tree foam board, so that's why I use it, because it's cheap, because it comes from the Dollar Tree. But let's get started. You may also need a couple coins. Okay, so next step is to get cutting. If you're going to be doing this, then you can just follow the diagram. So I'm going to real quick show you it. You can pause the video and copy it down if you're doing this. But you're going to need to do 2 of these. So that's the diagram. You can read it now. So I'll get back to you after I cut 2 of those. And bye-bye. For the cockpit, what you're going to be needing to do is to just draw a straight line, make it as thick. We'll draw 2 lines parallel to each other. Make them as thick as you want your cockpit to be. See, so I'm going from there and there. So see, now those are parallel. Next, you can go ahead and line them off. Next, I'm going to give myself about a square inch. And then here, I'm going to give myself a little bit more than twice as much that's there. Then next, just lines out like that. Then cut, fold on these lines. Fold these lines up, and also fold that one. Only cut around the outside. Don't cut these sides off. Okay, then I'll get back to you once you do that. And also cut out the other side. So this right here should be able to bend up. But what I did was I cut a little canal in there. So that way now when I bend this up, this is able to bend over. Then with this, the way that you just bend it is you can just put it against a hard surface and bend it up like this. Inside can be crinkly, but the outside has to be seamless. Then do the same right here with here and right there. Then I'll get back to you once we do that. Actually, once we do that, then just glue it together like this. Do this up here and glue this over. Except, actually wait. First things first, before you glue it, you need to start by cutting off a bit of these things. Okay, so that should be flat right there. And then let me go ahead now and put that up. Now, right here, that should be the same size as that. And just do the same on the other side. The way that I got this canal right here is I put a stitch right here and this stitch right here, so that way then when I bent it over, you'll see that little bit popping out. All you need to do is pull lightly on it. If you cut all the way through, like I did on both of them, if you cut all the way through to the other side, no worries. Just slap a piece of Scotch tape on the back and you're good. So now, do the canal right there. Back to you once that is glued down. Actually, then all you need to do is just glue these down right here as shown, and glue this and glue these down right there. Don't attach them together yet. Just glue the parts like that and that one like that. Get back to you once we're downstairs and we have that glued. Okay, so after you have finished gluing both of these together, you're just going to need to glue them together. I went ahead and just bent these up and glued them down. And now on my glider, if you saw it in the beginning, it had two bigger fins right here. You can go ahead and put those on yourself. I don't think you need help gluing something down. And then once you've got these both on, you just need to glue this down about half and half right around in there. And then just throw it back and forth. If it's too much tail heavy and it's going like that, you need to put just glue a couple coins up front until it glides nicely across. Now that will be all on how to make a foam glider. Ready? And then, actually, next all you need to do is just take your tape and you can go over. I suggest just at minimum going over these front fin little bits with the tape, because that just makes them stronger. And then what to do with these foam darts right here would just be cut off the tip, all of it, and then just cut it in half and put it on the front corner, half on, half off, sort of like that. Then that's all on how to make a foam glider, a DIY foam glider. So please comment down below, like and subscribe for more videos. Tell me if you want me to do more airplane stuff, as either the hammerhead, see, because I made it into a hammerhead, or maybe my own plane. Why, yes, these both do fly. So, like and subscribe for more. Comment down below on that. And that's all for today. Brian Fluff signing out.